guys, do me a favor, please pay close attention so you can learn how you can use iMovie really well to make these incredible videos. Are you ready to get started? Stop giggling, focus. Alright, here's our video about how we can make the pictures or images in our iMovie timeline match the length of time we're speaking about them. Remember, it's about communicating and the images and the words need to match. I will also show you how you can cut out your mistakes to make your movie super fly awesome. So let's start off by going Command Tab and getting myself to Finder. Remember, if it doesn't show up, that just means you haven't opened it up down here. So here's my soundtrack. I'll go to my Dropbox, soundtrack for iMovie, click and drag. Yours will be in your own folder with your own name. Let's see what that would look like if I just played it. Are you ready? Alright, this is a video about how to make your images match the same length as the pictures that you have installed. Right there, I waited too long, too much of a break between my talking. So I'm gonna go over here, find it. Right down here, if I click right there, and I do Command B, I can cut out that big blank spot when I was thinking what I was supposed to say. Then I can just click on this, grab it from the top, drag it over, and now it doesn't sound like I'm pausing. Let's listen again. As the pictures that you have installed. There's a very first trick, cutting. Again, to cut, Command Z undoes things. I want to show you again. Command, wherever I click, whatever's yellow is highlighted. Command B cuts it. Command B cuts it here. And because this one's highlighted, I can delete it. Don't delete this one. Don't delete this one. This is the one I don't need. And it's gone. Click on this, and if you grab from the top here, you can move it over quite easily, and it sounds much better. Okay, the next thing to keep in mind. This is poutine. It is the most wonderful food in the entire world. It is from Canada. Oh no, this picture is way too short. My favorite picture of poutine should last longer. Let me fix that now. Just select it, click here, and drag until it matches.